So guys, as you can see, this might be weird, but Beyblade Burst Evolution Battle Tower, and then it comes with 2 Beyblade Burst tops. With a Beyblade Burst Switch Strike tops. There's 2 of them. Then there's 2 launchers that I have, and then there's the Switch Strike Battle Tower Beyblade Stadium. I've already battled in it a couple of times, like yesterday, because I got it like the day before, because I actually was battle testing it. So actually, it's kind of hard to launch into it. If you're playing 2 players, then it's gonna be easier to play on it, because it's harder to play alone on that thing, because you have to like launch 2 of them into like these little tiny holes. But hold up, let me show you. I'll show you what it comes with, and then I'll just show you the Beyblades and not the launchers, because I'm gonna use my casual string launcher. So hold up, I just gotta make sure these stickers are on. What we got here is a battle tower. As you can see, we got a little tape here just to make sure it sticks on, because it keeps on the tape. This thing keeps on coming off, so I gotta tape it. So I'm gonna battle test it. Let me grab it. So we got Strike Valtrak for Hasbro, and then pieces inside is, I think that piece is 9. We got a 9, and then I don't know what tip this one is, but pretty sure it's the reboot tip. And then I've heard some YouTubers say that this piece is just for color, but if you look on the side of this box, you see it's stats. Valtrak is better than the Genesis Valtrak, because it has 9 attack and burst 6, even though no defense, and there's 4 weight and 7 agility and no stamina. So let me just grab out of my box my Volt. Where is it? As you can see, we got Necrozma. We got plenty of guys. Okay, so we have Twin Nemesis, or as Hasbro calls it, Noctimus. And its tip isn't the reboot on Valtrak. It has the normal tip. And they have the same thing for Takeratomi with the slopes. And his attack is 4, burst is 5, defense is 4, weight is 4, agility is 5. So, and plus it's gonna be easier to film in with. You'll be able to see inside. I'll be able to put the camera right above it, and hold up. Let me fix a viewing point. So here, watch this. Cause this thing is actually pretty good. Sometimes they try to get out of the middle area, As you can see, Valtrak got launched to level 2. And Noctimus it's kind of hard to grab the Beyblade, but I'll be using this for future battles. So please like and subscribe for more of the battle tower, because this thing is big. It took a lot of money just to buy it, and it was the box that they had it in, they only had 3 guys. So go to Target now to get that thing. Or what you can do is just get the dual threat launcher at Target, or even get the sword launcher from Target, guys. Whichever one, your choice. Yeah. See you guys later.